What is up, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here today I'm going to share a video about a family outing day in my hometown, which I have with my family. It's just a normal day, fun day, relaxing day. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hey, zunda man charbe ka, man sa chaprup ta. Ang kita kan boleh apa nama? Hilang besim simang. Apa ya? Hey apa? Ni video lah. Ni video lah. Tu na yan petrol leturin kan ding meka. Ano nga yan ano ma? Kung yaw.
Kailan magkano chhungkua nga po?
Oh, trang lama. Ama te in trang lama kan lo han chau ani chu. Ai, be kikile to. Kita kan lo han oma. Chau don ta ni.
For this park, it's around 50 kilometers from the city. So yeah, that's about it.
Hey, you like him over there? Okay. Kecung lo ni Hmuifang kan thleng to amo chuanin han envel mai tu na. Dongin a view na lut. Mol doon si. Si ano sa apa? In overtak. No pang bear.
Anh đầu sáng có thì
Em làm ô chứ cần ai đón. Mẹ chèo to. Tôi là hiện can chi na thì cần ai đón Hmuifang chung cần lụt chứ là wa i cái mà hi vlog tu be hi cứ trong man là.
I just want to add this. This is the local cafeteria, you can say, where you can try a local authentic food here. But however, I was not able to show in the video here. I hope I can show it on the next videos or sometimes.
Egg. Cháu sa túi lệ, ở túi chip chuan ngất thằng cái đồ vậy thôi. Chưa cần ai dấu chứ á. Đấy. Trong cái nụ. Yes. Cháu sa túi lệ khai lỗ đây thôi đúng không? Anh nghe chuan. Cháu egg tục cần. Ê, chụp về đánh răng nghe cái này. Khát nì. Thum li nga. Về nga. Là xí nâu li. Coffee nâu ly, chim quế, nâu ngà, về là xí, nâu ly, omelette bát thum nè, ấy, chắc là ngạc pin, ấy sao lịch lâu, ấy, cắt tăng.
If in case if you have visit our place and if you want to by any chance if I was in the place, if I was in the town, you can just contact me by anyhome. I will be available to guide to give you a tour to this place. And yeah.
Siang lo. Looks yes. Cool, wang kan kaldo ng looks sorry karon lang level. So ay may hi kan pia ka tu pe pak lawang. Oh, ko lam chu adam de ole ka mo vot de wang. Oi ha. Em tiểu camping at saka om to. Lai về xem ui vàng vật om lai ni lo. Mình vàng vật. Anh đi lao về khang lang je lo. มีแต่ข้างล่างโซ่กันที่ทานข้างล่างทุกคนเจ้าบูเจียร์เอาเท้าดมดูเฉยซินัดตบมิงที่กันเน่าปังเบิร์ดตัวเนี่ยคู่แล้วก็เอาไปแล้วจังแล้วยังไงเราเฉลี่ยได้เฮ้ยนี่เรามีแต่ฮันเท่าเราตลอดไม่ใช่คืออะไรคือกันละกันแม่เราว่าเชิญทาวังตัวหน้ามังกันแล้วติดซอยยังเอ๊ะเล่ซอยมองแล้วอันนั้นมองแล้วติดเป่าเวลาตัวก็รู้ยังไง
So here, there's a funny part. This is my mom who was not able to go through the bridge here because she was so afraid, because you can hear some cracking sound coming from the bridge on the way, and then it's not like the place was really high. It's a really narrow place, but if you fall down, you're not going to break your legs or anything. But she's just afraid, and then it's just really funny. So I just want to share that.
Come on. Hey, okay, Ma's okay. Hey. ถ้าพวกคนนั่นแหละเราเนี่ยอันนั้นเลยก็เพย์ของอันนั้นแล้วเนี่ย
เที่ยวร้านอีกฮะ
แล้วเราไปต่อทุ่งด้านนี้ใครให้อาการนะฮีอาเซียจะไปกันกัลจังเทแล้วกันเล่ๆโดนนี่ตัวสมองเวลียงฮัลโหลไอ้บุยให้ไล่จุดที่เราข้างหัวเราหนุ่ยเบก้าแล้วกูจะไปกลัวเราเดี๋ยวเบรกูน่าจุกไหม이제 룩 아.
그렇게 딱 자네라도 같이.
mình mua lâu lắm mấy giờ đi số thầy thanh quang mọi người thanh quang thầy mà đi hả em tôi lỗi ngay là
Right here, as you can see, that I was not able to show the entire place here because we really have a limited time here. We spent around an hour, just an hour, so I didn't have the opportunity to really show the entire place or any other like the highest place because we didn't have time to go there. So I hope that on my next content or in the future we'll be able to show the entire place and go more details about it. Yeah.
It's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
So that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, even though it's not much, but I'm pretty sure and I promise you guys that I'm going to put out more content. Please don't go anywhere and stay with me. Bye.
Baby, you should take